karanjetlilive.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to unbox my Casio G-Shock Mystic Forest. So guys, for your reference, the model number of this watch is ga2200 mfr-5a. So guys, now let us open it and let us see what comes in the box. And while I'm doing it, I would like to tell you that I got this watch for 109 American dollars. Okay, so I checked it online. Normally this watch, it is sold on the internet for about 150 USDs, but I got it in an offer and I paid around 109 American dollar. So the website from where I got it, the link to that website I will leave in the description section. So it comes with this international warranty and it has a user manual. So now let us take out the watch. So it comes in this metallic box which looks very rugged. So typical G-Shock box. So let us open it. Okay, so here it is. So let me take it out. So guys, this is Casio G-Shock Mystic Forest. Okay, so guys, this watch, it has this carbon core. Okay, and it is light in weight. It weighs about 57 grams and it has water resistance of 200 meter. Okay, and guys, this watch, it comes with a double LED. So if I press it, you can see it. Okay, it comes with a double LED and the band material of this watch is resin. And guys, you can see the color combination of this watch. This is green, this is khaki, and it is combination of both the colors. So which gives this watch a very unique look. And you can see the dial also, it is very colorful. So it looks very good on the wrist. Okay, so and guys, this is not a solar powered watch. So it comes with the battery and the battery life of this watch is about 3 years. Okay, and it has a different functionality. It has a world time, and if I press it, you can see this sub dial moving. Okay, so it has a world time, it has a stopwatch, it has 5 alarm settings, and it has a countdown timer. Okay, so these are the different options. So guys, that's all in this watch. So soon we'll be doing a detailed review of it. So before we end this video, so I will wear this watch on my wrist so that you can have an idea. So let us do it. See, this is my Tissot T-Touch and this is my Casio G-Shock Mystic Forest. So guys, this is how it looks on my wrist. So guys, this is Casio G-Shock Mystic Forest. So guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing lot of unboxing videos, watch reviews, and lot of other stuff. So guys, all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.